Everybody's excited to make low carb sandwiches today, and I am using my 3-ingredient low carb, no carb cloud bread. There's so many names for this, but essentially I have a video and a recipe for this, which I will link right below. And of course, it stays fresh when you store it in an airtight bag. So, I mean, the texture of this, oh, we're here to make sandwiches. Let's do that. So, I have a few options for you. I'm so hungry, and this is what happens. So this functions just like sandwich bread. They're perfectly golden on the top. We're gonna flip them over. I have some mayo here. I'm going to spread a little bit because I like my lettuce to stick to my bread with the assistance of mayo. And this one's gonna be lettuce, tomatoes. You always want to build a sandwich by placing something between your tomatoes and your bread. So whether it's a slice of cheese or lettuce, it will prevent your bread from getting soggy. These tomatoes are ripe and delicious, and we're gonna place that right there. And we're just gonna make a BLT. I have some crispy bacon, which, by the way, I cook this crispy bacon really fast in the microwave, 2 minutes. Got a whole technique on that right below and another video that I would love to share with you. Is there anything better than crunchy bacon? It's so good. All right, so we have a sandwich that closes right there. And check it out. It holds super well. We're gonna put this on the side. I'm gonna make another one. Each round has about 40 calories, so and no net carbs, so it's practically air. So again, we're gonna flip this over. And I also have right below this video a bunch of ideas that you can make these no carb sandwiches or low carb sandwiches, depends on what you put in it. So this one is with some baked ham. We're gonna put the ham right there. Actually, let's put the lettuce between the ham and our cloud bread. Tomato. Tell me right below the video what you love making these sandwiches with. And I have an avocado. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed that the avocado is ripe. Yep, it sure is ready. So what we're gonna do with this is place it right into our bread. Now you can slice it. As a matter of fact, I have this avocado and egg salad recipe that would be perfect stuffed in one of these. All right, so this one, we are just going to close as well. So here is another no carb sandwich. And then finally, I want to know from you if you are a tomato mayo sandwich person, because especially in the summer when you have really ripe tomatoes, you can just take your mayo, literally spread it on your sandwich bread, but this is, again, our epic alternative. And then take your slices, place them right there. This is the one time that I kind of break my rule of no wet ingredients against my bread, but it's just like so delicious. Let's try it out. You can totally get behind this every day. I mean, you can make bacon in 2 minutes in the microwave, have these things ready to go. Make sure you check the links right below the video for the recipe to the cloud bread, more sandwich ideas are all low carb, a clean eating guide, and so much more. See you next time.